Hi Eric. This is the division list and I'm opening one of the divisions. After opening the divisions, I'm adding one custom field here, which is of type VS No. And after adding this, I'm doing Control F5, that is a hard refresh, so that the field will be available here for selection. Okay, so now I have selected this field and I'm going to click on Save and Close button. So after when I click on save and close button, the list that I'm getting is with active and inactive records, but the filter that is set is active. Status is equal to active. So when I follow these steps, I'm also getting the inactive records in the division list. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.